Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about garlic, and I have a list of specific suggested food and flavoring combinations that go well with garlic. So if you're looking for some menu recipe ideas, something like that, hopefully this will help you out on your endeavors. Now the list was a little long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. Look below in the description box for the link to part 1 and check them both out so you know that you have the whole list. Combine garlic with kale and tamari. How about garlic with leeks and potatoes and saffron? Combine those in soups and also in making vegetable stock. How about garlic with lemon and parsley? How about garlic with olive oil and parsley? Garlic with olive oil and rosemary. Garlic with parsley and sage. How about garlic with potatoes and rosemary? That sounds really good to me. I hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.